And welcome back to Primetime News. Permission granted. After an investigation, the Ministry of Labour says Wholehearted Car Service Limited can reopen. However, the ministry says it will continue to monitor implementation of the agreed upon measures, conduct regular inspections to ensure compliance, and provide support and guidance to promote fair employment practices. Romarda Lyons reports.
Wholehearted Car Service Limited has been given the green light. After the Chinese mechanics gained popularity, an investigation was launched to determine whether labor laws were upheld. Many motorists were left with a frown. Several were camping out 2 months ago to be first in line, and those who found themselves farther in the queue waited patiently. Today, I asked Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. if that demand from Jamaicans played a part. It did, wholeheartedly.
The call, the voice of Jamaica will have and should have an impact in how we see this. This is why we came out and we openly said that based on what we are seeing in terms of the high demand, that's one of the best measures of determining whether or not you require more persons of this type or more persons to deliver this type of service in the country. So yes, it should and did have an impact in terms of how we evaluated the process.
The Chinese mechanics heard a lot of this.
你比其他人便宜.
The minister acknowledged complaints about overpricing. It's why he hopes that competition from the Chinese will level the playing field.
Perhaps over time you'll see the translation of that knowledge across the board and perhaps challenging other persons, other mechanics locally to raise their standards. I've already seen where Jamaicans, meaning Jamaican mechanics, have been approaching me about learning more, about what opportunities they have with Heart. I never had that before.
The business will be allowed to reopen with conditions including employees being enrolled in the Heart NSTA Trust. Another, the submission of a list of all Jamaican workers, including their wages, within 3 months of reopening. Is this an effort to ensure proper treatment and compensation?
It is a normal condition in our evaluation of work permits in the country. Matter of fact, we have a ratio that we utilize generally in terms of ensuring that Jamaicans are not displaced. In this case, yes, they will be mandated to bring Jamaicans on board. As I said, those Jamaicans will also form part of their apprenticeship program, I believe. And we expect that over time, you will see the balance between foreign nationals and locals swinging much more towards having a higher proportion of locals. It actually works out better for them as well.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.